What is trading? Have you ever wondered what exactly is trading? How people buy and sell assets and earn money from the markets? Well, in this video, I'll explain trading in the simplest way possible, even if you've never heard of it before. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to trading. Let's begin. Trading simply means buying and selling financial assets like stocks, commodities, or currencies to make a profit. You buy something at a lower price, and sell it at a higher price. That's trading, and the difference is your profit. Trading versus investing. A lot of beginners confuse trading with investing, but they're very different. Investing is for the long term. You buy and hold for months or years. Trading is short term, sometimes for minutes, hours, or a few days. Types of trading. There are four main types of trading. 1. Intraday trading. Buying and selling within the same day. Fast-paced and risky. 2. Swing trading. Holding positions for a few days to catch short-term price movement. 3. Positional trading. Holding trades for weeks or months, based on long-term trends. 4. Options trading. A bit more advanced. Instead of buying actual stocks, you trade contracts that derive value from them. Where can you trade? Trading happens on global financial markets like stock exchanges, forex markets, or commodity markets. To trade, you need an account with a broker. Many online platforms let you trade easily from your phone or laptop. Is trading risky? Yes, trading involves risk. Many beginners lose money because they jump in without understanding the basics. That's why it's important to start small, practice with demo accounts, and always focus on learning before risking real money. Warning: risk warning plus checklist. Learn a plan, a practice, a trade. So that's trading in a nutshell. Buy low, sell high, and manage your risk wisely. In upcoming videos, I'll cover how to open a trading account, simple trading strategies, and how to read charts. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss out. And drop your questions in the comments. I'll reply to all of them.